morning to all. Jai Jhulelal. It gives me immense pleasure to declare our virtual annual fancy dress competition. The main aim of competition is to bring out the hidden talent of our little pre-primary kids. I thank all parents for getting the kids ready for the fancy dress competition. I would also like to thank Principal Mary Madam and all his teachers for their wonderful performance. उन्हनि जी जेका महिनत आहे उहा हिन प्रोग्राम खे अञा शानदार बणाईंदी. Even we are thankful for the parents who are participating also. Thank you. Jai Jhulelal and the best of luck to all the students. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today I have pleasure to announce that our Jhulelal Trust School and Junior College is organizing fancy dress competition virtually. Here our little small champ are showing their talent, hidden talent in front of all. I am thankful to Principal Mary Thomas who has put their hard work along with the teachers to bring the hidden talent of the students in front of all. Thank you and best of luck to all the students.
Good morning everyone, Honorable Trustee, parents and my dear children. It gives me immense pleasure to declare our annual fancy dress competition open. This is the first time in our history that we are organizing virtual competition for our very talented children. I cannot express my excitement and eagerness to see all our cute kids in various colorful avatar. I also want to personally express my sincere thanks to you all parents for the hard work behind the scene in getting our tiny tots ready for the competition. Equally deserving are our talented teachers who organized and scheduled the whole event. So ladies and gentlemen, let's all sit back and enjoy the show. As we all know, these are very difficult times for every individual, society and country. However, this is the time when man is tested for his perseverance and ability. We, the management of Jhulelal Trust, are extremely proud of our team who have risen up to the challenge and imparted excellent education classes covering all part of the syllabus. And yes, I have special mention of the amazing activities of our dear teachers as organized, like cook without fire, fork painting, greeting card, chocolate making, laddu making, bread cake making, kaju katri, visual dandiya celebration, red day, then cotton and bud activities, best out of waste, virtual Diwali celebration, independence and many more. These activities brought out the best in our children. We will continue to relentlessly strive and achieve perfection in providing world-class education. This is our promise to all our parents. Thank you for your immense trust in our ability. We value it very much. And last not by the least, we have opened up the admission process for the next academic year 21-22. The forms will be available from 2nd January. All those who are seeking admission are requested to collect the form and apply. Thank you. All the best to all the students who are participating in the fancy dress competition. May the best child win. Bye.
Good morning everyone, respected teacher, principal, and my dear friends. My name is Bhavya Chugh. I study in Jhulelal Trust School in Junior KG CBSE. I am a Dettol liquid hand wash. I germs, disease and virus. Use me after coming from washroom. Use me after coming from outside. Use me after sneezing and coughing. Use me before and after eating. I kill coronavirus also. Corona go. So wash your hands and keep it neat and clean. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Radha Reja. Today I am a sanitizer. I put it from germs. Use me after toilet and washroom. Use me before and after eating. Use me when you come for outside. Use me fight against the coronavirus. Don't forget to carry me. Mr. said thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Siddesh Sagar Tupte. I study in Junior KGC. Today my speech about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was born 19 February 1630 in Shivneri Fort. His mother's name was Jijabai. His father's name was Saji Raje Bhosle. Shivji is celebrated 19 February every year. He was the one of the greatest Maratha ruler warrior. Jai Shivaji, Jijamatacha, Veer Suputra, Mahan Maratha, Adoniyachi, Teji Shatrata, Veer Shivaji Chichevada, Modil पण वागणार नाही ही मराठ्याची जात आहे. शिवाजी महाराज की जय. Thank you everyone. Hello everyone, respected all. My name is Piyush Manchansani. I study in Junior KG from Julelal Trust School. I am Dettol liquid hand wash. I am protect you from germs and disease. Keep your body healthy and hygienic. Use me after using toilet and washroom. Use me after doing outdoor and activities. Use me after before eating. Use me after sneezing and coughing. Use me when your hands are dirty. So wash your hands neat and clean. शेरों के पंजे भी अब से धुलेंगे हो, किंगे टोपींगे हो. खाने से पहले सदा हाथ धोना कभी भी ना भूलेंगे हो. जो माँ ने सिखाया वो सबको सिखाएंगे. एवरीबॉडी हाथ धो. ना पहले बीमारी जो आदत का मारी. डेटॉल हो. लापरवाही नहीं 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 नहीं. सही से हाथों को धो. ना पहले बीमारी जो आदत का मारी. डेटॉल हो. साबुन से सच्चा है, साबुन से अच्छा है. डेटॉल हो. Thank you. Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. You know who I am. I'm dangerous virus. I'm Corona. Ha 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 ha. I'm spread all over and attack all the pupils. Medical problem. You caution illnesses that can be mild or serious. There are some steps taken to safety. You cough or sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with the mask. Wash your hands after 20 seconds. Use soap, water and sanitizer. Thank you.
Honorable Principal, respected teacher, all parent and their children. Myself, Mrs. Bhagyashree Lonkar, the parent of Manasvi Lonkar. Today, Julelal Trust School and College arranged the fancy dress competition. that gives too much happiness and gives lot of excitement to the children. I like this thing of school that arranging different types of programs, competition and various cultural activities. This helps children in their all-round development. This time also we are facing the crisis of COVID-19. Yet our school arranged this competition through online. Means our school is providing each and every facility, support environment which is favorable to each student and parent also. Being a parent, I think this competition really developing confidence level of each child. Fancy dress competition is not only restricted to students but also we parents and their efforts. Today, each student gives such a nice performance. Of course, it is not possible without their teacher guidance and support. I want to say thanks to the management, principal and all the teachers who give me opportunity to put my opinion. Thank you very much.
Hi, principal, teacher, and friends. My name is Saira Jeswani from Junior KGA CBSE Julelal Trust School. My class teacher name is Karina teacher and Anju teacher. Topic traffic signal. I am a traffic signal. I have three colors. Red means stop. Yellow means slow. Green means go. I control the traffic. I control the accidents. I am important for everyone. Always follow the traffic rules. Thank you. Please don't kill me before my birth. Listen my cry, listen my scream. Let me fulfill wishes and dreams. Let me fulfill wishes and dreams. Let me. Please don't kill me before my birth. Beti bachao, beti padhao. Thank you. Hello everyone. Myself, Risha Motwani. I study in Junior KGE. I am going to speak few lines on safeguard child. In Indian society, for girls, children are considered inferior and a burden by their own parents. Some parents they not want a girl child, so they are killing them or throwing them at a garbage site. In today's time, a girl is demand for whole nation, as the girls are the future forward. A girl is most important as they are uploading the roles like sister, daughter, wives, mother, grandmother, etc. I hope all people have understood the value of a girl child by these few points. Thank you.
A very warm welcome to the principal, teachers and staff of JTSE school. Myself, Diya Rajpal, mother of Pihu Rajpal, Junior KGE. I have got this golden opportunity to thank all the teachers, all the staff of JTSE because they have given a very good effort to build the future of our child. They have given the efforts in taking orals, in taking activities of the kids. They have done efficiently all the work. My kid, Pihu Rajpal, I have seen a good progress in her. So I'm very thankful to all the teachers for also doing the activities on time, doing the open days on time, and helping the parents also to bring up the child. And it's a very big thankful to all the teachers to give a big support to our child. Thank you.
Everyone, respected principal and teachers and all my dear friends. I am Dr. Navya Kesmani from Junior KGA CBSE.
सी भूली सी खुशी फूलों सी बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सो जाग बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे
We do have a family, but still we are fighting against Corona. We ask you to stay at home, but we step out for your safety. We are 24/7 on duty call. We are there to save your life. Then why raining of stone on us? Come, let's fight together and win the battle of Corona. Wash your hands properly. Use hand sanitizer. Keep social distancing. Wear a mask. Eat healthy. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.
सी खुशी फूलों सी बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी
Hello everyone, my name is Anna Junikaje from Junior KGP. We want mom, we want sister, we want wife, then why not a daughter? Today my topic is Say Girl Child. In this cruel world, people give more importance to boys, but no one gives the value to the girls. The girls are the important part and pillar of our society. The girl child therefore deserves same status, role and right. Let me live, let me bloom, let me shine like beautiful moon. Let me come and see this world. Let me fly like beautiful bird. Listen my cry, listen my scream. So please don't kill me before my birth. This is the progress of science of killing girls. Daughter are most beautiful gift from God. I hope all peoples have understood the value girl child. Thank you. My name is Haspan. I study Junior KGC. I am a red light. What do you say? I see stop. The don't go away. Yellow light. What do you say? I see the way. The turns green light. What do you say? I say go away. Thank you. My name is Sigar Vaspani, 4 years old, studying in Junior KGD. Topic coronavirus. Do you know I am a coronavirus. I give you fever, breathing problems. To stay away from me. Wash your hands, use masks and sanitizer. Stay be safe. Thank you. Good morning, teacher, class principal, teacher, and my dear friends. My name is Priyu Rajpal, Junior KGE. I am a little comforter to the precious gift of God. I am used for drinking, cooking, washing, and bathing. Please don't waste me. Save me. Due to rise rainfall, you face shortage the drinking water. Save water, save fire. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Kusum Demba, mother of Jivika Demba, and she is studying in Julilal Trust School in Junior KG C. I am here to talk about online lectures. Due to coronavirus, schools have remained closed. But schools are closed, but duties are going on, and teachers are performing their duty very well through online lectures. I must say, online lectures is a great use of technology. Through online lectures, studies have also been completed, and children have also performed in various activities such as clay activity, drawing activity. They have also performed in Independence Day function and in Dandiya function. I must say, papers, tests and exams have also conducted by teachers, and I would like to thank each and every teachers and principal, our vice principal of Julelal Trust School, for helping us in this miserable conditions and for giving their full support and precious time to our children. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Everyone. Now it's the time to announce the winner of fancy dress competition. Myself, under my group leaders, Barkha teacher, Bhakti teacher, Karina teacher, Darshana teacher and Ritu teacher, selected the finalist. I am happy to announce the results of Junior KG fancy dress competition. The first prize goes to Navya Keshwani of Junior KG A. Topic was Corona Warrior. The second prize goes to Arna Arjun, Junior KG B. Topic was Save Girl Child. Third prize goes to Piyu Rajpal, Junior KG E. Topic was Save Water. Congratulations to all the winners.